Welcome back to Hayes Tech and ROM Reviews. Today we're going to go over a tech product. This is from Seagate. It is a 2 terabyte backup hard drive or external hard drive. I'm sure any of you with a laptop or a PC know exactly what this is for. You can back up your device or use it just as an external drive. Have it plugged in while you're using your PC, or store like your videos on, pictures on, any music. Stuff like that, just to keep the main drive open. There are a lot of debates on that. I do know that when you have a spin drive in your system and it starts to get about halfway full, you do start noticing a little bit of a lag. Now, with the YouTube videos that I create, I do delete a lot of the video footage leading up to it. The main videos I like to keep. So my hard drive on my laptop's really starting to get up there. So when we come back, we're going to go over the specs on this. We're going to go ahead and open it up and let you guys see what you get when you order one of these external hard drives from Seagate.
And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. You hit that notification icon to get a notification of my videos as soon as they're released. That way you don't miss any of them.
Okay, we're back. We are going to go ahead and open this product up, do a little unboxing. You guys know I don't like to do unboxings, but they seem to be quite popular here on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and slit the piece of tape in the back. And that would be right there. Okay, so we cut this open. I'm going to tell you guys right now, this is a package that is pretty hard to open. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Try to open it up on camera if we can. And to be honest with you, actually it opened up pretty good. So basically you just pull the top open, pull this out. Everything comes in a package like that. Let me dump it all out here. And that's it in the box. Well, we also have another booklet. This is, okay, it's a quick start guide, and then, you know, quick start guide in a whole bunch of different languages. There it goes. Here's the top. It's nice how they do this. They have it wrapped separately in a enclosure, a little envelope, which is nice, so that keeps it nice and clean. And then of course you have your USB cable. This is a proprietary cable, guys, just so you know. If you look at the end of that, it only works on this, so you can't use a standard USB cable. So this is basically a high-speed USB data cable, and it's supposed to work with USB 3.0 and higher, so hopefully the transfer speeds are fast. I will be transferring a video file over onto it. We'll be timing it. That way we can see how fast it works. The PC I'm using is an HP 15DA0053WM, basically a Walmart special, but I love it. It's a pretty good laptop. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the drive itself. And it's nice. I mean, it's definitely wallet size. It's actually a little smaller than my I think they're Toshiba Passports. I have two of those. Those are 500 gig each. This is a 2 terabyte. It costs $59, which is very good for 2 terabytes of memory. There you can see the port. I don't know if I can zoom in on this a little bit. Okay, there you can see the port. And it is the only port on this thing. And that's it. I mean, it's just a hard drive. Okay, guys, so what do you say we go on to show you how to hook this up onto your computer? And I can tell you right now, I just want to talk about the weight a little bit. I should go get my scales and see if I can weigh this. So I'll be right back. Well, I wanted to weigh it, but it's over 4 ounces. My scale only goes to 4 ounces. As you can see, if I weigh the USB cord, it comes in at 0.7979. And if I put this on, this scale only goes again to 4 ounces. And it's got a little weight to it. It's about the weight, I would say, of a cell phone. Okay. And if I put that on, it falls right out. So it's over 4 ounces. My guess would be about 6 to 8 ounces is what I would say it weighs. Of course, without a scale, I wouldn't know. But I thought you guys would be interested in that.
Go ahead and hook this up. You have to plug this end into the bottom of the passport. And it only goes in one way. It would be awesome if we had a USB-C connection, but we don't, so you know, it is what it is. Now what I'm going to do is take the other end and plug it into the USB port on my computer. My laptop has one 3.0 USB port and two 3.1 USB ports. So I'm plugging into the 3.0 USB port. That's the one on the right side, which is the single one. So here we're going to go ahead and plug it in. And of course the computer just picked it up now. It is going through its setup. The drive is going to have drivers on it, which is going to start talking to the computer. And there it is. Okay, so as you can see, if you have a Mac computer, you're going to want to start here. If you have a Windows computer, you're going to want to start here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it. And basically what it's going to do is it's probably going to format it and get it all ready to serve as a backup drive, basically. Again, this is going to free up a lot of room on my system. I guess we have to register it before we do anything, so I'm going to put in my registration. Okay, so it is downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Enjoy the benefits of your new Seagate drive. So it's successfully registered my drive. So I'm going to go ahead and install the software. We're going to click open. Normally I click show in folder. It's just in my downloads folder. So I'm going to click yes. And whenever you get one of these external drives, you want to install the software that comes with it, because it just makes, you know, the talking between the drive and the computer so much easier. Your backups are going to be fluid. You're not going to have to worry about anything. If something happens to your system, just, you know, you've got it. So, of course, we've got to click on that. Continue. And it is, I guess that was an installer that I downloaded. So now it's downloading the Seagate application. And I think it's installed. Yep, there it is. So once this opens, I'm going to get rid of the website. We're going to go ahead and browse through this. I'm going to go ahead and, I want to move some folders and files over there. And I'm going to get my phone and turn my timer on. And let me bring up my clock. We've got our stopwatch up. Okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to pick a video. What do I have here? Do I have anything on my desktop? Yes, flashlight review. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click copy. I'm going to create a folder on here. I'm going to call it videos, and I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to click paste, and I'm going to hit my timer at the same time. So here we go. I'm going to try to paste. Okay, so as soon as it is done, I'm going to hit stop. And this is, I think, almost 1.5 gigs. And it's there. It took 18.5 seconds to move 635 megabytes, which isn't bad, I guess. That's over a half, that's over half a gig. It took 18 seconds. Not as fast as some of the other stuff that I've seen, but, still pretty fast. I want to see how long it takes to move a large folder or large file over. And so I'm going to reset my stopwatch. We're going to go back into my video projects. And let me look for, let's go under old reviews. I only have guitar repair. That's it. What did I do? Get rid of all my old, yeah, I started running out of room. Okay, this is almost 1 3/4 gigabytes, so I'm going to click OK. I'm going to make that a little smaller. I'm going to open up my Seagate and my videos file. And what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to copy and paste. And I will hit the start button at the same time. Here we go. And I'm going to hit paste and start on the clock at the same time again. Here we go. Okay, we'll see. Okay, if it's anything like last time, it's going to take about a minute. And that would be a minute for a gig. Oh my god, my math is terrible. I'd have to get my calculator out and figure that one out. As far as gigabytes per second go. Okay, we're up to 40. And it's coming down the wire, and bam. 48 seconds to move 1.72 gigabytes over. So that's 1,720 gigabytes. That's not bad. I've seen worse. I've seen a lot better. So that gives you an idea of how it's running through a 3.0 jack. Again, sorry about the first test. My battery died in my Canon, so I had to redo the test. But there you go, guys. This is a 2 terabyte drive for about $55 to $60. It's well worth it. You can move everything off of your computer as far as your videos, music files, and, well, anything over onto your backup drive. Then of course you can make backups of your system, because you guys know what happens to your computer. Okay, so there you have it, guys, and that is the Seagate 2 terabyte backup drive. I'm telling you right now, I highly recommend it for the price. And Seagate is a well-known manufacturer of drives. I mean, they do it, they've done it for a long time. And I trust them. Yes, there are other drives out there. Toshiba has some, the Passport that I know personally. I own 2 of them. This is the first really huge drive, and when I say huge, I mean over a terabyte that I've purchased. I heard Toshiba had some issues with their first run models. Now the ones they have now are running great, but they're more expensive than the Seagate. So that's why I went with this. I will keep you guys informed on how it works. It's, again, guys, very well worth the purchase and peace of mind for backing up your system. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to ring that notification bell, or you're probably not going to get any of my new videos. And I'm going to be doing a ton of reviews now. So I just want to thank you again, and I will see you on the next video.